Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you what does POV means on TikTok. We know the app there is TikTok and in that app you will see POV. It means point of view. P for point, O F for off and V for view. Point of view. What is point of view on TikTok? Point of view on TikTok means that someone is commenting you, he is according to the situations, he is giving her point of view, like he is giving opinion, and point of view means he is giving judgment. Point of view can be anything, like situation, about talking situation, about giving opinion and judgment. Thank you so much. That was all. That was the abbreviation. POV stands for on TikTok. That is point of view. It can be any type of view. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.